What's up, my digital trailblazers? Welcome to Simply Create. My name is Tristan and I empower small business owners to unleash their potential and achieve digital success. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I take one piece of content and break it down into many pieces of content so I can post it on Instagram or TikTok for promotion. This process is very simple, so let's dive right into it. And so over here we have the YouTube video that I uploaded yesterday. And as you can see, it's around 14 minutes long. It's just a video of me talking straight to the camera, no edits or anything. I was actually really happy about this video because it took me a long time to get to this level to where I don't have to edit my videos at all. But as you can see in this video, I have it broken down into different chapters. So I got tip 1, tip 2, tip 3, and we're going all the way to tip 7. I have 7 different tips within this one video. So I have the potential to break this 14-minute video down into 7 different sections because each different tip is valuable on its own. And if I'm able to break this one long form video into multiple small form videos, I'm able to post these small form videos and possibly get this audience that I get from the small form videos all the way to this long form video. You want to funnel people into the long form content because with the long form content, that's how you build the connections. You can build connections with short form content, but long form content, it's a lot better because when people go to your page or go watch like your YouTube video, they're going to be sitting there and like to actually watch your whole content. They're not going to scroll by real quickly. And so when they're actually taking the time to sit there, that's going to give them time to actually connect with you, the creator. So we're going to break this up. I'm going to go open up CapCut. There's a few video editing softwares that I really like. I really like CapCut a lot, and I also like DaVinci Resolve just because those programs are free. Premiere Pro is amazing, but just the whole subscription model is eating at my wallet at the moment. So CapCut right here, beautiful. Edited a little bit of weddings over here, but I'm gonna open up a new project. Okay, so here's the video. Boom, we got the 14-minute video. I'm gonna drag it onto the timeline. Why is it not dragging it? Cool. So we have it on the timeline, and it's great because when I made that video, I just put those chapters in, and so now I'm able to see where each one of those tips end, and this video won't be so long. We'll zoom in real quick, and the first tip goes from 0 seconds to 3 minutes and 8 seconds. So that's already like, that's a pretty long video, but we got 3 minutes and 8 seconds.
Passionate. Like it just flows. You just start talking. You're not up in your head. You have like everything. You're just present in the moment. It's beautiful.
And so that's where I stopped. So I'm gonna get the split tool, split it, boom, right there already. One piece of video.
I pitched my services to a business for the first time. Here's what I learned.
And then did you see that? That's like the hook for each video. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna cut this real quick. So now I got like the hook for each little video, and I just gotta clip each video and put this hook in the beginning. The other tip started at 3 minutes and 8 seconds and it ended at 4 minutes and 1 second. So I'm gonna go to 4 minutes and 1 second. I think I just finished this. Boom, just finished the second tip. And all I gotta do, I'm gonna click right on the video, split that real quick. Then we got the second segment, and I'm just gonna grab this first part right there because that's the hook from the last video. Copy and paste, Control B, Control C, Control V. Let's zoom it a little bit. And so now I have the hook right here, and I can just, it's gonna be a little friendly to me. Move it! Come on, man. Oh, just, come on. Just move it like that. So real quick, I'm going to break the rest of the video up into the sections. Okay, cool. So I have them all cut up into different sections right here.
And so here's the hook. To a business for the first time. Here's what I learned. I learned you gotta believe this.
Tip 1. Alright, cool. So we have that down. Then we have this over here, which is the hook again.
Services to a business for the first time. Here's what I learned.
Just cut that down real quick. Get that down. And then here's the second one again with the hook and
I
tip.
pitched my services to a business for the first time. Here's what I learned. The second point I have is if you get rejected, move on. And that kind of just like ties into the story I was just talking about. I kind of got rejected.
Alright, so we got that, and so I'm just gonna add in the hook. I'm gonna add in the hook to the beginning of each one of these tips. Okay, so now every hook has a tip attached to it, and now you can see that we took this one long form video and we turned it into 7 different smaller form videos. And now I really want to post this on TikTok to get my exposure out there, and possibly Instagram as well. And as you guys can see, this is in landscape, so we're gonna have to change that to portrait, and we're gonna do that right now. And to do that, you're just gonna want to come over here to where it says ratio and go to 9:16, and now we got the vertical format, and we just got to scale up the video and position myself into a good portion of the frame, and we got it. So we're gonna go to the first one, go to the image, and you see we got scale and size right here. I'm gonna just scale it up, make it fit, booyah, soft percentage, and then I can just drag it to where like I'm kind of positioned in the middle of the video, because we want people to see me talking in these videos. We don't want people just being like, who's talking? Okay, but I'm gonna see this one.
I pitched my services to a business for the first time. And here's what I learned you gotta
scale this one up too. Okay, so got scaled. Right here. Alright, both these videos are scaled. Let's see what happens.
I pitched my services to a business for the first time. Here's what I learned you gotta believe in yourself.
I do want to kind of keep that like a little consistent. That's a little jarring. So this is like really close to the side. Okay, see, that's not as jarring. Let's just put it again.
I learned you gotta believe in yourself, because if you believe in yourself, you're really gonna talk your ass off.
Cool, sweet. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and scale the rest of these tips so they can all fit. Alright, so I was able to scale the rest of my videos and clean it up a little bit. And now we have 7 different tips that are all in vertical format, so this is great for posting the short form platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Now the rest is testing to see how well these videos will perform. Another thing that I did forget to mention too, as you guys can see within these videos, we do have like an intro and also like a body. So we got like the hook and then the information, the meat of the value that I'm giving you. We also need to close this up. So to close it up, you guys know we need to have a call to action. I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably add a call to action either here, or I might even do it within the phone when I go and post these, but I just want to like let you guys know, like, remember, you guys got to have a call to action going on so you guys can make some conversions. Like if you want people to follow you, you got to kind of tell people, hey, follow me, so don't forget to follow me. Or if you have a product, you kind of have to let your audience know about that as well. Hey guys, I have a free ebook available for you guys called Conquering the Fear of Failure, a guide for small business owners. If that's something that interests you, go check that out, link in the description. But in my case, I want my audience to go watch my long form video. So what I'm going to do is with these short form videos, I'm going to add a call to action at the end, letting them know that if they want to watch the full video, they have to go check it out on YouTube. And so this will hopefully get the people that are watching on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts to go siphon them all the way over to YouTube so they can go watch the long form video and possibly get people over there. It's all a system, you just gotta know how to work it. Real quick, I forgot to touch upon this with you guys. I was having trouble myself. When you're trying to export these little short form clips on CapCut, when you're like on CapCut on your computer like I am, for instance, as you guys can see, I have like 7 different clips. And if I try to export it, I'll click on export, this little window comes up and it says the duration is 14 minutes and 35 seconds. That's really long. I'm used to like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. It's easier for me to actually like set a point where I want to have it start and end for the export. And with CapCut on the computer, I just found out it's a little bit hidden. And if you're using CapCut, if you're following along with me, I'm going to show you that real quick. So all you got to do As you can see, I got my timeline here, highlight it. So this is everything that consists within that first tip that I was talking about with you guys earlier. You highlight it, you right click, and then you go down the range and it says select an area by clip. You hit that, or I guess you could do like Shift X. You do that, it says select an area by clip. You can cancel it if you want. But then after that, you're gonna go over to the export at the top right. And as you guys can see, the duration is 3 minutes and 2 seconds, a lot shorter. This is just the clip, the first section within that long form content. So if you were looking, if you're curious on how you're able to just export each tip by its own, that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, subscribe and keep the journey. If you need help to bring your small business to the next level, book me for a coaching session. I'll have the link for you in the description below. If you're looking to join a community of small business owners who are looking to take their business to the next level, go check out the link in the description. We got the Digital Trailblazers community on Discord. But besides that, you stay trailblazing. I'll catch you on the flip side.